Hey gang, Jesse here at AC Auto Repair. So one of the things that you might observe is whenever you turn on your blower, you might get a strong whiff of dust or a smell of dirt or a smell of mold, smell of bacteria or something like that. And I want to show you something. A lot of newer cars have a cabin air filter. And so it's usually behind the glove box. I went ahead and removed the glove box. This is a little Chevy Cruze. There's a little door right there. And then you can see the cabin air filters in there. So I'm going to see if I can get this thing wiggled out. It's not wanting to come out just super easy for me. But here, I got it. I'm just going to pull it out. And I haven't looked at this one yet. This is the first time. But we can see we got some grass. It's a girl, so we got quite a bit of her hair. I don't know if can you all see that. We got quite a bit of her hair. We got a leaf, just a ton of dirt in there, right? Like so. When the air conditioner's running, when the blower's running, when the heater's running, anytime the blower is running, it's going to be running air across this, and it blows it out the vent. So it's very important to keep this one changed. I'm going to recommend changing it a minimum of once a year. Twice a year is actually better. I could go look and see when this one was changed last, but this girl lives in town. She don't even live out in the country. She doesn't live on a dirt road. She lives in town. She drives back and forth to work. It's paved roads all the way. And this is just the dirt that is picking up from being in the atmosphere. We are out here in western Oklahoma, so we are out in the country. It's very rural. But there's obviously just a lot of dirt. But when she turns the blower on, it's going to be blowing across this. There's also underneath that is the evaporator core for the air conditioning. So in the summertime, as you're running the air conditioner has an evaporator core, just like the air conditioner unit for your home or your office or wherever, right? And that evaporator core, along with the condenser, do a heat exchange. But the evaporator core gets really cold. It gets a lot of condensation on it. That condensation dries off whenever the vehicle is shut off. But you'll notice water dripping out from underneath the car, right? Whenever in the summertime when it's running, that's that condensation off of the evaporator. Well, after time, particles of the dirt accumulate on there, the moisture, things that have gotten past the filter, and it creates mold, it creates a bacteria, right? And so we actually have a service that we can do where we can spray some cleaner onto that evaporator core, let it sit on there, let it drip off. It's gonna destroy and kill the bacteria and the mold that's in there. That way the air that's coming through the vents isn't full of mold. We also got chemical that we spray into the vents right here, right here, right here, and on the outside of the vehicle where the fresh air comes into the vehicle to kill any of that moisture residue, the bacteria and stuff like that. So if you've got a funky smell in your car, or if you just notice, hey, my nose runs a lot after I get out of the car, or I sneeze a lot or something like that, perhaps you've got something going on inside the dash. We actually have a climate control service, is what we call it, where we can do the cabin air filter and we can do the treatment, get that mold and that bacteria killed, and keep everybody feeling a lot better. Hope this helps. Let me know your thoughts, let me know your comments, and I'll see you in the next video.